Now let's look at how to inspect a burner tray. This is a burner tube. It is basically a pipe with the end sealed and the venturi adjustment at this end, adjustable with a Phillips head screwdriver. And when you loosen it up, you can turn this left or right to open or close this tiny little air shutter. And that is on opposite sides, and it allows, again, the cold, fresh air from the top of the unit to come in, mingle with the fuel, which is being forced down the tube, and then you have a mixture of combustible fuel and fresh air, and all we're missing is a spark, and we will have a fire, a very nice fire. So this is a sample tube. We need to take them out, we inspect them, we look for rust, wear and tear, we look for holes that are getting too big. Sometimes you'll see them elongate. You'll look for warpage. This particular Napoleon insert behind, it has a burner tray. It's about a 1/2 inch thick, 4 inches wide, 16 inches long. And again, it's going to fill with combustible gas mixed with fresh air. And as it comes out the port, it will be ignited by the pilot light. And that needs to be inspected, because if we get a hot spot, it'll start creating too hot of a spot and compromise the unit in some way, in some place. And that's part of our job when we do annual recurring service. We have to remove the tray and look at it and see if we see any holes or apertures, openings that are getting too big.